Hi guys, Nikhil this side. So I actually wanted to buy a pair of original Ray-Bans, and I actually wanted to buy an authentic one. And there are a lot of sources online as well as offline where you can get Ray-Bans which are fake. Now my entire issue is specific to India and not any other country. But obviously the main features of Ray-Ban on how you identify them as fake or original remain the same. But yes, this video is specific to India. Now I actually read an article a few days back in which a person who had purchased a Ray-Ban sunglass, so he actually bought two Ray-Bans from lenskart.com, and everything looked fine. I think the box also looked fine, the sunglasses was also fine, but he had mentioned a lot of minor issues that he checked out, uh, from which he deduced that these were not original. I actually did dig deeper into it and I did figure out what exactly is the issue. I actually also spoke to Luxottica official, and this is what I could find. So I actually, the Ray-Bans that you can see, so these are the G15 ones. I got these for 3200 rupees, and the MRP of these is 5490. These are the non polarized ones. So I'll just tell you the basic, you can say, ways you can figure out your Ray-Ban is original. So if you can see this, so there are these markings on your Ray-Ban. Yeah, so this tells you the entire model number as well as the size. Now this is RB3025 sunglass 5814 because it's the 58 size. Now if you see these nose pads, yeah, I'll just focus. Yeah, so these have both RB written properly. Plus if you see the temple, it has the entire size as well. It has the model number and a size, so it's properly written Ray-Ban. Yeah, if you can just see properly, it's written there. Now if you see this side, I'll just show it to you. This has only Ray-Ban written on it. That's it. Also, the basic funda, that's a proper way on how Ray-Ban is written. Yeah, and on the left hand side you'll see an etching with RB written. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, this plus, so this is about the sunglass, and it should feel actually very sturdy. The metal should be sturdy. If you see these wings, so these are also tilted. The end of the metal is also pointed, right? Yeah, coming back to the box now. So if you see this box and a fake box, a original box will have a Ray-Ban button. This is kind of like the closing button for the case. Plus this gold print on the faux leather is etched with gold, and if you rub your fingers over it, you won't feel anything. It's printed so properly. Now if you see the width of the box, it's not that much, so it's just enough to accommodate the sunglass. That's it. Plus the entire stitching on it has to be completely uniform. None of the strings would be coming out. Plus a proper, it's really hard and it's really sturdy. Plus if you see inside, so that's the Ray-Ban cloth that I have. It's a normal size cloth, but obviously you can't just make out if it's a fake or original just by the cloth. It's just that the size is different here and there, but you can't make out. But it's a good quality cloth, so that you can that you have to check. Yeah, so that's the box. This is the cover that it came in. So now coming back to the thing which is specific to India, if you see this, this has the entire same model number which you will see on the wing of your sunglass. Yeah, it will have the same model number. It has MRP plus it's manufactured in India. If you see properly, it has written it's manufactured in India in Bhiwadi. Plus, although it's marketed by Luxottica. Now, a lot of people say that original Ray-Bans are only produced in Italy, which is why I directly spoke to Luxottica and I clarified this thing out, and I couldn't find anything about it online. So there are these two types of Ray-Bans which are available in India. The ones which are getting sold online as well as through stores, half of them are made in India, and yes, it's being so Luxottica has confirmed they have a factory there. Plus, if you see, for all sunglasses which has only Ray-Ban written on the right hand wing are the ones which are produced in India. Plus, majority of the models will have this transparent nose pad. Okay, so this is the way where you can figure out that yes, this is a original Ray-Ban which is made in India. Now if you see somewhere else, so this costs 5490, but the same model, the non-polarized G15 one, if you want to buy, you can also buy the made in Italy version as well. That will cost you close to 7490. Now the difference is that the wingtips will be brown. It will have made in Italy CE written over here. Plus these nose pads would be cream in color and would be translucent. So then you can figure out that yes, your Ray-Ban is original and obviously it's made in Italy. So there are two versions and both of them are original. One is the made in India one and the second is made in Italy one. So that is the difference that there is. Now there are a lot of imitation products that are going here and there. I think the best way to figure out if you've got an original one, just call up Luxottica, tell them the source where you've bought it from, and they'll tell you if it's original or not. If you've bought it online and you can't figure out if it's original or not, no problem. So once you've bought it from somewhere, if you buy it from from Myntra or Jabong, Luxottica has confirmed that yes, these guys are official resellers. Snapdeal, there is one that he told me was official. It was Brand Solutions or Creative Solutions. And that's it. So if you buy from Snapdeal or any eBay or anywhere, you will get an invoice from it which will have the company name written who has sold it. Just tell that company name to the Luxottica toll-free number and they'll tell you if they are the authorized sellers and if you've got the actual product or not. Also, Luxottica has confirmed that if you send this sunglass for checking to Luxottica, if they find it original, they'll give you a certificate for it, or else they'll keep the product. They won't return it back to you if they find it that it's fake. And then it's up to you to fight with the with the shopkeeper or from wherever you bought it to get your money back. But yes, I got this for 40% off on Snapdeal, and it was the original product that I got confirmed from Luxottica. And yes, you definitely can get an original Ray-Ban on discount if you buy with a lot of caution. And yes, that's about it. Also, Luxottica has also confirmed that Ray-Bans on Lenskart.com are not original. They are working on a legal case with Lenskart, and they are probably trying to sort it out. So yeah guys, so I just wanted to make this one video so that it can help all of you guys buy an actual product. And yes, one more thing I would say, that the glasses on original Ray-Ban are not plastics. So this is made of glass. This lens is made of glass, not plastic. That is one more thing. If you do this, you can feel that it's glass. So yeah, that's it guys. See ya.